Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of performance machines. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated release of the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast, a masterpiece that continues Ferrari's legacy of speed, precision, and power. The 812 Superfast has always been synonymous with high-performance engineering, and the 2025 model is no exception. Let's take a closer look at what's new and what makes this car a must-see for any automotive enthusiast. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast catches the eye with its sleek and aggressive design. While staying true to its iconic silhouette, the new model features more refined and aerodynamic bodywork. Ferrari has sharpened the car's front-end styling, incorporating a wider grille and a redesigned headlight setup that gives it a futuristic, predatory look. New vents and sculpted side panels improve airflow and downforce, enhancing aesthetics and performance. The rear features a reworked diffuser and updated taillights, giving the car a more cohesive appearance. Ferrari is offering fresh paint finishes and more customization options through their tailor-made program, letting owners personalize their ride like never before. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Ferrari has kept the 812 Superfast signature, a naturally aspirated 6.5L V12 engine, now tuned for sharper response and better efficiency. Producing 789 horsepower and around 530 lb-ft of torque, the 2025 model launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. It's paired with Ferrari's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering quick shifts and smooth delivery. Enhanced throttle mapping and improved stability control make it just as thrilling in corners as on the straights. Updates to side slip control, F1, track, and E-Diff3 systems boost grip and handling, while the redesigned exhaust delivers an even more exhilarating Ferrari sound. Safety and technology. Ferrari equips the 812 Superfast with the latest driver assistance and infotainment technology. A fully digital cluster shows real-time performance data, while an updated infotainment unit supports Apple CarPlay, navigation, and voice control. The cabin is focused on the driver with premium materials, carbon accents, and Alcantara trim. Safety features include adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and powerful carbon ceramic brakes. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride over various road conditions without sacrificing performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is the perfect fusion of raw power, Italian design, and modern tech. It celebrates the V12 legacy while offering a next-level driving experience. Whether you're a dedicated Ferrari fan or a first-time supercar buyer, this model delivers excitement in every gear. For more updates on elite performance cars, stay tuned and subscribe to Gear Grinders, where performance lives.